So here we have the Mini 3-door hatchback on a 17 plate. So I'm going to start off by hopping inside the car and running through some controls first of all. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, the speedometers in the middle, and then the fuel gauge over on the right-hand side. Also in the middle, you can see the total miles for this car. They are 30,281. You can change the information that's displayed in that central section by pressing a button on the end of the indicator stalk for various bits, a trip computer and fuel economy information. You can even have a digital readout for the speedometer, as you can see. Over in the center, we then have the main stereo for the car. So this is where you can access your phone. It's also where you'll be able to listen to the radio and your own music as well. All the movement you see me making on the screen is being done using this dial just here. You can use the collection of buttons that surround it, but the dial will do virtually everything. So you can enter the radio menu, for example, and you'll see we've got FM, AM and DAB radio. You can also access multimedia, where you'll be able to listen to your own music via USB input, Bluetooth audio and auxiliary input as well. So loads of ways to listen to music in this car. Below that, we've then got your air conditioning. So you can determine the direction the air is being distributed in, the fan speed and the temperature. When you're happy with those settings, your air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off, back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you set just here. And we've got our rear heated screen as well. We can turn off our traction control. This is where you start and stop the engine. And this one turns off the stop and start. So this car is designed to cut out when it is stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is turned off when that orange light shows. We then have a 6-speed manual gearbox, your 12-volt charging socket, USB and auxiliary inputs, as well as a couple of cup holders just here as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.